Hello there, this is Mike Earn, and you're welcome to the weekly Forex market forecast. And in this video, we're looking at the AUDCAD, AUDCHF, AUDJPY, and the CHFJPY currency pairs. Before we get into the business of the day, let me introduce you to some of my products. This is the Forex account management service that I offer. And also this is the premium Forex signal service that I offer as well. So for the account management service, you earn as much as 15 to 20% monthly. If you let me handle your trading accounts, let me handle your Forex trading accounts and manage your Forex trading accounts, you can get as much as 15 to 20% profit and even much more monthly, right? We also have a referral bonus of 15% commission from our cut of the profit made. So there will be a profit sharing ratio. You make as much as 15 to 20% profits monthly, and we get our cut, and you also get your cut, and your trading account will keep increasing progressively like that, right? So if you are interested in this Forex management service that I offer, Forex account management service, and if you're interested in this Forex account management service that I offer, my contact is in the description below. It is my direct Telegram contact. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and chat me up, and let's talk about how you can come on board and how you can be part of what we do, right? So it is really going to help your trading and help you take your profits to the highest possible level. So you earn as much as 15 to 20% profits and even much more monthly, and you get a commission of 15% for everybody that you get on board. So the next product, the premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly. Now, I have realized that a lot of people have been trading for many years and still don't know what to do. They still don't know how to sustainably make profits, and it is crazy, and I know how terrible that can be when you have been in the market for so long and you still don't get it. But the Forex market is quite different from many other kind of businesses out there. The Forex market needs a lot of patience, needs a lot of understanding to make profits. So while you're still in the process of learning all that, or maybe you're no longer interested in all that, you can get, or even if you are already a profitable trader yourself, you can make much more profit with the premium Forex signal service that I offer. This goes for $200 monthly, and it is highly profitable, right? For $200 monthly. Yes, I know the price looks different from what a lot of you see out there, but one thing you need to know is this: I promise you, it is much more value than the $200 that you are paying for it, right? It is much more value than you get much more value than the $200 you're paying for it. So this the signals I provide on this platform, on the signal service, are from tested and trusted trading systems. Trading systems that have been tested and trusted over the years are what I use to derive these signals. And I myself, I'm in this market to make money. I'm making money trading. I also know that selling signals would also make me some money, so I'm doing that. Since I'm making money trading, I'm going to also make money selling signals. I'm also going to make money, managing Forex accounts as well, right? So you can also be part of what I do, and I only give on this signal service, I only post trades that I take myself, right? So I'm not one of those, I don't know if signal service providers do that, but I do not give signals that I don't take myself, right? I only give signals that I take myself because I know how profitable they can be, and I also don't want to miss out on that. So that's one thing you can take to the bank. This is really you make a lot of money. You'll take your trading profits to the highest possible level following this signal service. Now also you can use the same contact, my direct Telegram contact in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, chat me up, and let's talk about how you can start working with me, how you can start getting the signals and also making a lot of money. So that is that for the products I have for you: the Forex account management service, which you get as much as 15 to 20% profits monthly, and also the premium Forex signal service, which you get for $200 monthly. We are here to serve you. I am here to serve you. So let's get back to the business of the day. So let's get started right away. Now for AUDCAD currency pair, what do we have here? Now if we go to the monthly time frame, you can tell we can say price has been bearish, but it's a very slow bearish move, so I wouldn't really say it's a bearish trend. I would not call it an impressive bearish trend. But the weekly time frame, what do we have here? We're seeing price push higher. Price seems to be making an attempt to push higher. So now on the daily time frame, what should we be looking out for? Now using the daily time frame as an execution time frame, this is what I'll predict. If price comes into this zone, this 0.92613 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, right? I would suggest that you go for a sell right there. If price comes into that zone and then gives us another candle, or maybe the same candle closing significantly bearish, then I would suggest that you go for a sell trade, a one-to-one risk reward ratio sell trade in that kind of scenario. That would be my prediction for the AUDCAD in that scenario. But if we see price come into this zone, if we see price come into either of the 0.91012 zones, if we see price come into either of the 0.91012 or the 0.91322 zones, what I would suggest is that, and if you see price give us a bullish day close at either of those zones, what I would suggest is that you go for a buy trade. Go for a buy trade if it meets your confirmation. Now, don't forget, you should only take these trades if they meet your confirmation, right? You should only take them if they meet your confirmation. Do not compromise on your own personal trading standards. That's very important. Every trader needs to have this kind of mindset. It's very important that you take note of that. Now, if we go, I think we're done with the AUDCAD. Let's go to the AUDCHF currency pair. Now for AUDCHF, what should we expect? The monthly time frame, the market has been very bearish over many months. The weekly time frame, the market has been bearish, but we've seen this bullish surge. We've seen this bullish move. How far is it going to go? Well, we can't tell yet. Now look at the daily time frame. For the daily time frame, here would be my prediction using the daily time frame as an execution time frame. Now if we see price push into either of the 0.58590 or the 0.58844 zones, if we see price push into either of the 0.58590 or the 0.58844 zones, and it gives us a bearish day close below those zones, I'll suggest that you go for a sell, right? It's very important you know that. I suggest you go for a sell. You can go for a one-to-one risk reward ratio sell right there. But if you would like to go beyond a one-to-one, that's possible. I suggest you can also do that, considering the fact that this market is largely bearish. Not even largely, it's very bearish market over the few over some years now, right? So there's a possibility it actually drops off significantly from that point. So we can see price come back into the zero. There's a possibility we see price come back into the 0.57268 zone. There's a possibility to see price go that far. Or better still, you can just close your trades at a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio to be on the safe side, whichever one you're comfortable with, right? So if we see that scenario, that's fine. But if we also get the scenario where price comes into either of the 0.56137 or the 0.56224 zones, and it gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones, I would suggest that you go for a buy, right? If it gives us a bullish day close, a significant bullish day close at either of those zones, I suggest that you go for a buy trade right there. Go for a buy trade. Don't go more than a 1-to-1 because this is a very bearish market. So I suggest you don't overstay your welcome. So don't go for more than a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio on this particular trade, and that should be enough for you, right? So that is for the AUDCHF currency pair. Now let's go to the AUDJPY currency pair. AUDJPY. So let's look at the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame tells us it's been bullish, but in recent times we've seen a bearish month, and we've seen some pin bars forming, or we've seen one pin bar forming, and we see another one still currently, in play. So what do we expect? In the weekly time frame, we see a pin bar, we see another bullish move. So this might be a sign that the market is going to continue pushing higher. Who knows? It's a possibility. So what do we expect? Using the daily time frame as an execution time frame in this analysis, what should we expect? Well, if we see price come into either of the 98.418 or 98.625 zones, and it gives us a bearish day close at either of those prices, if price gives us a bearish day close at either of those prices, and yeah, I suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 sell trade, 1-to-1 risk reward sell trade in that scenario if it meets your confirmation. That's very important. If it meets your confirmation. But if we see price come low and come back into this 92.928 zone, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 buy trade, a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio bullish move right there, if it gives us that opportunity. But you can also hold the market and see if it will get back to the zone, if it will get back into the 95.563 zone. Don't forget, this is a very bullish market, so the possibility that it pushes higher, is really, high. And also, you might be lucky enough to catch the next leg of the bullish trend. That's very possible as well. You might be lucky enough to catch that. So in either of those scenarios, don't forget to only take those trades if and only if they meet your confirmation. So that is for AUDJPY. So now for CHFJPY, what do we have here? Now let's go to the monthly time frame. Same story with other JPY pairs. We've seen bullish moves over the years, and then we saw this one bearish month. So this one bearish month followed by one pin bar, one bullish pin bar. Now let's go down to the weekly time frame and see what's happening. Now we can see a very bullish weekly close right there. So now, using the daily time frame as the execution time frame, what is the prediction for the new week? Well, it's quite simple. If we see price come into the zone, if we see price come into the 170.451 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I would suggest that you go for a sell. Go for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio sell right there. Why a sell? Why a 1-to-1 sell? Because it's a very bullish market. You don't want to overstay your welcome. Now, but if we see price push lower, actually I'm quite skeptical about this zone, but it's possible if we have a lot of price action, if we have a lot of candles before price comes into this zone. That's the 166.875 and the 166.391 zones. If price comes into either of those zones and gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones, I suggest that you go for a buy trade. You can go for a bullish move right there. You can go for a 1-to-1, take your first target at a 1-to-1, or you can take all your targets at a 1-to-1, or you can also hold your trade and see if it will go back into the 170.451 zone, right? Whichever one you're comfortable taking, you can, take it, right? So that is for the CHFJPY currency pair. Thanks for watching today's video. Before we go, I'd like to tell you about the products that I offer: the Forex account management service and the Forex premium Forex signal service as well. Now, for the account management service, you get as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly if you let me trade your account. If you let me manage your account, you get as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly and even much more. And also, if you get anyone on board to do business with us, you get a 15% commission from my part of the profit. You get a 15% commission. Now, the trades I take on the Forex account management service are highly profitable trades and high probability trades only. That's the way I trade. That's the way I've been trading. High probability and high profits only, right? So this is what I do, and this is how you make a lot of money. There's a profit sharing ratio. When you come into my DM, we talk about that. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and let's chat about how you can be part of this service that I offer, right? How you can be part of this service, how you can also benefit from this service that I offer. Come into my DM. My Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, use the link, and let's talk about how you can be part of what I offer, right? Now to the Forex signal service. Now, with the premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly, you get highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest possible level with profit making. I know $200 looks really different from what you have out there, but this is the promise. You get a lot more value with the $200 monthly service that I offer. You get a whole lot more value than the $200 that you pay for it. So the premium Forex signal service is here to help you. I'm aware that many people out there have been trading for years and they've not been able to sustainably make profits. But with this premium Forex signal service, you get to make a lot of profit with the signals that I offer, right? I only give signals that I take myself, so profits, a whole lot of profits are guaranteed, right? So come into my DM. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, use the link, and let's chat about how you can be part of what I do, how you can benefit from this service that I offer. Yeah, so that's it. The Forex account management service and the premium Forex signal service. Forex account management service, which promises as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly. Yeah, so sometimes it might be lower than, sometimes it might be lower than that, sometimes it might be definitely much more than that for the Forex account management service, and you get your profits consistently. And for the premium Forex signal service, you get highly profitable trading signals that are derived from highly profitable trading systems that have been tested and trusted over the years. So thanks for watching today's video. Bye for now.